Shenzhen Bright Glassware Company Limited is a very professional glassware company. Mr. Piki Wang is founder who have been in this field for 15 years. We specialize in high-quality glassware and accessories, such as candle holders, glass jar, candle lids, diffuser bottle, perfume bottle, drinking glass, storage jar, and tea sets, etc. The products are widely used in candle, daily life. We provide customized service with silkscreen decal, laser, plated sprayed color, engrave, packaging. You are feel free to select assorted shapes, colors, designs, and integrity production process, including mouth-blown, machine-blown and press, hot bending. We have professional team who focus on quality control and inspection and after-sales service. In order to supply the good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Most of our models have gained international certification such as SGS, STQ, APT. We are always working to improve our existing products and create over 300 new models every year to satisfy with customers' requests. Bright Glassware provide products of high quality, good design, and safe and elegant packaging. Support products with professional knowledge, superior service, and rapid delivery. Ensure that our clients are offered competitive pricing. We are looking forward to establishing long-term, successful business relationships with our clients all around the world. Welcome to Inquiry. Welcome to Bright Glassware Company Limited.